everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be talking about the music category that is available on Twitch. So if you like to listen to live music as well as some of the underappreciated people out there that play music, they share their music to everyone on Twitch, then this is the category you want to be a part of. So if you go to browse over here, once you're in browse, you can just click on music. Once you click on music, you will be able to find music streams for you. A lot of people do live music as well, and then you've got these pages that play jazzy / lo-fi anime music. Like, they keep their channel 24/7, and you can just listen to music with other people non-stop without having to worry. And then you've got these people that do their live music. It's gonna always be under live performance and events. So yeah, if you're someone that enjoys live music, make sure you head over to the Twitch music category to get some amazing live musicians. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.